Here's 8 ways you can earn $100,000 a year selling information products. When it comes to making money, many people seem to do everything other than a little math. For example, I was thinking the other day about what it takes to make $100,000 a year with the help of affiliates that are given a 50% commission. Just 12 $47 ebooks a day, or $355 a month. Next, let's look at teleseminars and webinars. $97 for roughly 5.7 seats a day, or 172 seats per month. You might be thinking, who pays $97 for a webinar? The answer to that question is just about everyone. Everyone goes through life paying much more than $97 for informative materials that can help them out. The key for you is to just believe the information that you're giving people and understand its actual value. For example, there are individuals that provide Forex trading advice webinars for tons of money and realize that some clients may not be happy in the end because of the risk involved. But at the same time, they will receive tons of positive feedback from men and women that paid a few $100s for the webinar and make thousands just following the information given to them. Next is audio courses. 2.9 $197 audio courses per day is all it takes. You might be asking the same question. Who pays $197 for an audio course? Just think about how much easier it is when someone walks you through something on audio. You can take notes, follow along, or even do something else while learning the task at hand. The only secret to this task is making a claim big. For example, how to increase your SAT score by 31% in 14 days, or 3 minutes a day for no more acne, etc. Just remember to keep your promise, or at least in cases where your system does not exactly work, provide the possible reasons why, so the person will not blame you. For example, diet claims, skin tips, etc. Next is video courses. People pay money for a book. They pay twice as much for the same information in the form of audio. And when it comes to getting things done, they will pay triple the amount of the audio-oriented product in the form of video. So when talking about selling 33.5 $497 video courses a month, don't think that that is impossible. You might even find it easier than other tasks. Only one per day and you achieve your goal. The question you now have to ask yourself is, would you rather make 1 sale a day or 12 sales a day? Do you think you can start selling those big products? Below are examples of bundles of products that start at $497. Number 1, home study courses. Includes written material, audio, as well as videos. Number 2, online study courses. A more convenient option for customers with written material, audio, and video assistance. Number 3, seminars and workshops. And number 4, group coaching. Now let's start to think a little bit outside of the box. What if you put together an online study program that you felt was so well thought out, insightful, that $497 mark seemed too low? Over time, you will likely come to that conclusion, and that is when you know that you are on the right track. For example, a $997 study program with affiliates would only require 16.7 successful sales per month for you to reach your goal. What about a full top-notch seminar for $2,000? You would only need 100 attendees to meet your goal. Group coaching for 55 people at $300 gets you there as well. Now let's toss out another wild idea since we're thinking outside of the box. What about getting rid of the affiliates? You make all the sales yourself. What would happen? Less than 10 sales a month of a $997 program and you are at $100,000. Now I've intentionally saved the best for last, subscriptions. If you have 355 members paying $47 a month for a recurring subscription, you are making $200,000 a month and you can continue the affiliate method. Think about 12 months with these 355 members. Finally, remember that you are not limited to one task. You can obviously start with the one that you think suits you best, but over time you can expand and continue to make tens of thousands with each new strategy that you employ. Now that you have an entirely new perspective, you are likely thinking of numbers. That is certainly a good thing to do, just don't get too caught up in the numbers all the time. If that happens, you will become very frustrated when you make $3,000 in a day, but miss your sales goal by 1 sale. Do your best and think big. You must believe that you can do it. Now that you know the possibilities, all you have to do is act. Take action seriously, and do not stop pushing until you get exactly what you want.